In part one, we looked at the case of Joan and Robert and the MassHealth compliant annuity that Robert bought in 2015 to qualify Joan for Medicaid. The annuity was not the first choice for Joan and Robert. In September 2012, the couple deeded their house to their daughter, keeping a life estate. A life estate deed can work for people who are able to safely stay in their homes with no need for MassHealth paid nursing home care until after Medicaid's 5-year look-back period. As long as Joan and Robert didn't need Medicaid to pay for nursing home care until after September 2017, 5 years later, the house transfer would not affect Medicaid eligibility. But if they applied for Medicaid nursing home care before September 2017, within Medicaid's 5-year look-back, the house transfer would disqualify a Medicaid application. In 2014, 2 years after transferring the house, their health declined and Joan and Robert moved to assisted living. They and their daughter decided to sell the house. The following year, in 2015, Joan needed to graduate to nursing home care. To qualify Joan for Medicaid, something had to be done with the money from the house sale. Robert took the money and bought the MassHealth compliant annuity so that Joan could apply for MassHealth. Robert used the monthly annuity payments to pay for assisted living. Robert died in 2016 before all the annuity money was paid back to him. The Massachusetts Supreme Judicial Court, as we heard in the previous episode, decided that MassHealth will get the money left over in the annuity account as reimbursement for the months that it paid Joan's nursing home care. Reimbursing MassHealth prevents couples from avoiding the 5-year look-back.
Even if you're within the 5 years, with the 5-year look-back, if you've got an attorney who understands this well enough, you're going to be able, as the community spouse, to protect assets, which is hard to reconcile with the whole point of Medicaid.
The point of Medicaid planning is to protect the health and safety of elders. True to this priority, we look at life expectancy, the amount of life savings, and the elder care needs that the person has. Life estate deed and MassHealth compliant annuity are choices that may be part of a plan. The motive for Medicaid planning is always protecting health and safety of the elder. In Robert and Joan's case, life estate home ownership worked as long as they could safely live at home. When Joan needed Medicaid to pay for nursing home care in 2015, there were 2 years remaining in the look-back period. Depositing the excess assets from the house sale into the MassHealth compliant annuity in 2015 allowed immediate approval of Joan's Medicaid application so her nursing home bill would be paid. And the monthly annuity payments gave Robert the income that he needed for assisted living rent. The monthly cost of Joan's nursing home, if the couple had paid privately, would have totaled much more than the amount that MassHealth recovered from the annuity. When the intent for Medicaid planning is to protect the elder's health and safety, good choices can delay or prevent nursing home admission. People who don't plan may be forced into a nursing home after they spend down their life savings and then can't pay for a less restrictive setting like assisted living. Medicaid planning helps couples and individuals match Medicaid with other resources to cover care costs. In the next episodes, why an annuity might be an option for a single person who needs nursing home care, and how MassHealth calculates excess assets.